Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome and thanks for joining us for our Links 007 TV breaking news report. It's a sad day in the world of entertainment and music in Jamaica. Links 007 TV News has just received word that lead singer of the group, Morgan Heritage, Peter Morgan, has passed away. Moments ago, an official statement was released on the Morgan Heritage social media page confirming that their lead singer passed away. Details surrounding his death is unclear up to the publication of this report. Since that news broke, a number of individual fans and friends have took to social media and expressed shock at the sudden passing of the lead singer. The singer passed away today on February 25th according to a statement issued by the band. It is out of sincere love that we share that our beloved husband, father, son, and brother, and lead singer of Morgan Heritage, Peter Anthony Morgan, ascended today, the group said. Our family thank you in advance for your overwhelming love and support, and we ask for your continued prayers as we go through this process. We ask that you please respect our privacy during this time of healing. The group did not disclose Peter's cause of death. For over a decade, Peter's distinctive voice has led Morgan Heritage on some of the biggest anthems in modern roots reggae, including You Don't Have to Jet to Be Rasta, Down by the River, and She's Still Loving Me. Links 007 TV would like to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends during this difficult time. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
And here now, this is where we're going to light the world with love. All the Netherlands, all the Amsterdam, all the Sweden. We're going to light the world with love, so what I want to do, if you have a light, put your lights in the air. I know there's a lot of weed smokers out there, so put your lights on, please, put your lights on. And if you ain't got a lighter, put your mobile phones up in the air. Our mobile phones, turn on the light. Lights, lights, lights. Light up. Come on. There's a whole lot of people out here ready late today, so we want to see those lights in the air. And we know everybody got a mobile phone. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay. music.